So you guys want to create a Santander bank account by sitting at the comfort of your home? Well, you guys are at the right video, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create a Santander bank account sitting at your home online. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. Let's move on. First step, search for Open Santander bank account and click on the first link over here. It'll take you to its official website. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down and choose what type of account you want, a checking or a simple right checking. I'm going to go for the first option where it says open account. Click on it. Over here you need to click on I'm new to Santander, and over here you need to fill up this form. It's a 6-step process. First you enter your first name, and then you enter your last name. If you have a middle name, you enter it. Then you choose your suffix, then you enter your date of birth over here just like I'm doing, and you enter your email address over here just like I'm doing. And then on the next step you need to enter your mobile number over here, and after you enter your mobile number you need to scroll a bit down, and over here you need to click on I'm not a robot. Click and continue over here. Next step, it's gonna ask you for some more information. Just fill up this form completely correctly by providing all the information Santander Bank asks you, and your account should be created. So that's how you guys can do it. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.